Hi everyone, meet the doctors, power and precision at Thyrocare, where quality is at the heart of each and every step.
In your day-to-day work at the Thyrocare lab, what does expert clinical and quality care look like to you?
High throughput machines ensuring efficiency and accuracy.
The reports are reviewed and verified by certified MD pathologists. Standardized testing and consistency.
Advanced automation that minimizes human error.
End-to-end sample integrity maintained at every step.
Uncompromised quality even at massive scale.
Strict hygiene and safety standards.
Abnormal values double check.
How does technology shape your work at Thyrocare every day?
Thyrocare's advanced automation enables faster turnaround time.
Advanced systems deliver consistent accuracy.
Thyrocare's unique barcode tracking ensures sample security.
Best-in-class whole cake adherence preserves sample quality.
Thyrocare's digital reports make diagnostics more convenient.
Scan the QR code for quick report authenticity verification.
Real-time report updates enable faster care.
From your experience, what makes patients trust Thyrocare?
First national diagnostic chain to achieve 100% NABL accreditation across all labs.
Kept accredited for over 18 years.
9 out of 10 doctors trust that Thyrocare reports are accurate and reliable. On an average, 400 plus accurate results are released every minute.
Lab network of time plus labs across India.
Average turnaround time of approximately 3 hours from sample reaching the lab to report release. Over 25 years of experience.
Rigorous quality check.
Transparency at reveal step of diagnostic.
Expert sample collection by certified phlebotomists.
How do you see your work impacting patient outcomes?
Early detection that helps prevent complications.
Study reports enabling timely treatment.
Accessible and affordable diagnostics.
Extensive pan-India presence, Thyrocare is always within reach.
High accuracy testing reduces diagnostic errors.
Consistent results supporting long-term care.
Actionable insights for better clinical decisions. Seamless diagnostics from testing to treatment. Better clarity leading to better patient care.
Vast menu of more than 1500 plus tests and profiles.
Our popular brand Arodhyam for full body checkup and JAR for specialized lifestyle disorder packages.
So, all of us together at Thyrocare, we build the future of quality healthcare, thereby enabling better outcomes for each and every patient. So here's wishing you all a happy lab scientific week.